Welcome to JPTV. Today, I'm going to test this 1070 graphics card to see how well it performs in 2025. You heard that right, 1070 in 2025. I know games are becoming a lot more difficult to run, but we're going to see if this graphics card can hold up against those games today. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we're going to jump into COD. And just to be clear, for the purposes of this video, it's mainly multiplayer games. I know single player games usually take a lot more resources from your graphics card and processor. If I had to guess, you probably get at least 60 frames with this graphics card on most modern titles, but let's jump into COD. So here are the settings I'm using. Minimum. I'm gonna run minimum just to get the max out of this graphics card. Like I said, older graphics card, we're gonna try to do what we can to get great performance. Okay, buddy. Dropping in already at 140, average is 97, which is pretty good. Yeah, we got one, boys. Okay, okay, okay. I want to talk about that. We're not going to talk about this. Hello? See, we're averaging 97 frames. And I can't hit a shot with this pistol. Hello? Okay, you gotta catch these hands now, bro. Alright, let me change my sense so I have no more excuses. Listen, get this way down. Oh. Okay, that's way better. Alright, but we're still averaging 98 frames. You can see I'm well over 100, which is pretty good for this graphics card and CPU combo. Ooh. Just looking for one more kill to show you I'm not a bot. It was just the sensitivity. Okay, here we go. See? Beaming shit. Doing his little shit. Look. Hold on. Oh. Shooting back. Them bullets hurt. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Jiggle peek. Jiggle peek. Jiggle peek. Uh-huh. Talk to me nice. Oh, heavens. Please. Okay. Oh, pressing the wrong button. Okay, spamming buttons. Don't know. Okay.
Nobody survived to redeploy.
Alright. Well, you see what I can do on keyboard and mouse. Bro, if I put a month into this game. All right, next game we're playing is the Finals, another popular title. First things first, we're gonna head over to video settings and make sure everything is a-okay. And we're gonna go medium textures. And we're gonna hop on in, let's get it cracking. I haven't been gaming much lately. I usually play Rust as my main game, but haven't even played that in about a month and a half, so go easy on me in the comments, cause my aim has not been the greatest. Kingfish? Okay. Let's get it. Get me through here. Slide. Oh, get me through here. Get me out of here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Why don't you let you get the chance, stupid? Why don't you let you get the chance, stupid? Okay. No, I'm getting chased. Maybe not. Oh, buddy. Get on back over here, gang. Where you going, gangy? Get me up here. Maybe this should be my main, right? Oh, buddy, got a light machine gun. Weave. Oh, type shit, okay. Oh, I haven't even been paying attention to the frames. Okay, averaging 94. We're closing out on 100. We're getting a nice little 100. I'm gonna say 100 just to make me feel better about myself in this video. So, next up we got a fan favorite, Fortnite, and my nephew plays on this account, so he tends to wear the randomest skins, but we're gonna choose my go-to back in the G. Load. Here we go. There we go. All right, first we're gonna test this game with normal settings. Limited. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, there we go. Little hitch. Also, keep in mind, I'm recording as I'm playing, so the performance could take a small hit, but I'm not recording in the largest file format. But I am seeing some hitches. Let's see. Okay, now we're back in Fortnite. I'm gonna go to settings, show you we're in performance mode. Game doesn't look as good, but it plays so much better. Watch this. In the pregame lobby, looks pretty good. Frames wise, what are you doing, buddy? Damn, 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 damn. Okay, whoa. Sorry, I was looking at my phone. I saw an average of 400, but that's cap. Anyway, we're averaging 138, almost 200, about to hit the ground. This is way better for budget builds like this in 2025. Definitely use performance mode or low settings where you can, because you'll get the most FPS. That's simple. FPSers. I'm an FPSer. More frames make me better. I'm at 200 right now, 140. Average. Let's get it. Who melancholy can I hit? You best not be in here looting my loot, boy. What you doing in here? Oh, you're downstairs, isn't it? Downstairs, isn't it? Weave. Oh no, I'm in danger. Anything above 60 is good. Like I said, anything above 60 is definitely playable, but the fact that we're getting well over 100, I can get down with that. Ooh, 360 no scope. Okay, now let's go find someone to kill. Oh. What are ops? What are ops? What are ops? What are ops? No ops. Clean Pluto. If you step in there. Okay. Still not seeing any oppage in the Oh, we got a teammate down. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so that concludes this video. I believe in 2025, the 1070 is more than capable enough for 1080p gaming. If this is all you can afford, I'd say go for it. It's not a bad graphics card. You can play any of the multiplayer games, esports games you need to play. So if you're on a budget, 1070 for the win. You could even go 1070 Ti if you want a bit more performance. But that pretty much concludes this experiment, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.